Hello everyone, Ron Collins here from Lacy SEO. Today's topic is the best SEO tool you already have. So stay tuned. If you are an SEO professional, you know that there is no shortage of SEO tools out there, and they are certainly useful for doing SEO. There's Ahrefs, there's SEMrush, Moz, Page Optimizer Pro, Quora, just to name a few. And all of these tools are helpful in getting the job done and creating a website that ranks either nationally or locally. Like I put in SEO, I'm getting some national results, and then I get local results. Here's my business down here. But there is one SEO tool that all the money in the world can't buy. And it's a very complex one, but it can't be purchased because you already own it. And it's right between your ears. It's called your brain. It's the best SEO tool in the world. Now, your brain allows you to know on-page SEO, off-page SEO, link building, keyword research, affiliate SEO, local SEO, and SEO copywriting. Now, before you use tactics, you have to use strategy. In order to use strategy, you need knowledge. Now, if you're new to SEO, go out and learn it from a professional. Lots of SEO specialists have their own super duper SEO course they want you to sign up for. And no, I don't have a course. In order to do SEO, you need to have some knowledge, and knowledge comes from people who know what they are doing. So find out if this SEO guru is actually out there ranking client sites or just making outrageous claims on some secret tactic that nobody knows about. Now, there's no secret tactic that's going to make your website jump from number 50 to number 1. The more outrageous the claims are, the more likely they don't work. So if you need help with your website, reach out to me. My name is Ron, and I'm the owner of Lacy SEO. Everyone be blessed, and I'll see you next time.